What is up, Annihilation Ram fam? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. It's Saturday. It's a nice day. Today's video is going to be about a oil catch can, the Mishimoto Baffled oil catch can on my Ram 1500. So far it's only been 500 miles, not too much, but I want to see how it's doing. I'm just too anxious and eager to wait, but I want to check out how much it caught within 500 miles. And also go and take a look at the engine bay, how I installed it real quick. I'll leave a link down below as far as Mishimoto's video, as well as far as the installation process goes. Okay, let's check it out. So there is the Mishimoto catch can on the Ram 1500. Can't wait to do an engine bay clean, and I'm gonna do a video of that, and as well as a deep, thorough wash, wax, and jet seal on the truck in about 3 weeks when the pollen's done. But so far I already started unscrewing it. Let's go ahead and take a look. So right here, I'm gonna use a Sharpie to mark it, but this is the gunk that was caught, the oil contaminants and all the stuff that went past the cylinder head into the crankcase that, you know, basically caught back up, the oil catch can caught. This was in my 392. So I had a 17 392 I traded in for the Ram. That was about 2,000 miles. I think it's about anywhere between, I think it was like 2,300 miles. You can round it up to 2,500 miles. So you can see a decent amount. Now, yes, it's worth it. I think I paid for about 179 bucks for the Mishimoto for the Ram 1500, so it's definitely worth it. Now I'm gonna do a Sharpie right here. That's where the 392 left off, and I'm gonna add to it for the Ram. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, you guys. So you can see it a little bit in there. Let's go ahead and add it. So like I said, it was 500 miles, nothing crazy. Most people change it out at the oil change. The truck just had an oil change before I bought it. And so I probably driven the truck about 500 miles before that catch can installation. So I've driven the truck about 1,000 miles since I purchased it, and so far it's doing its job. You know what I mean? Now you can expect, you know, 3,000 to 5,000 miles. I have to wipe the excess off there. That there's going to be a lot more than that. So obviously about 4 times or 6 times the amounts of what that just had. So I marked it with the Sharpie. Just a little increase. Nothing crazy, but it's doing its job. Now, do I recommend one of these? Yes. Mishimoto does have the Baffled catch can. Pretty nice. I'll leave a link down below. If you guys want to check it out, feel free. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below. Installation took me about 25 minutes. Nothing crazy. Straightforward process. And yeah, mine didn't come up with the instructions, but like I said, there's a video on YouTube how to install it. I'll leave a link down below for that as well. Stay tuned. My next video is gonna be kind of cool. So this was just a quick review of the oil catch can. Hopefully you guys like, subscribe. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the Annihilation Ram fam. You guys have a fantastic day.